So it's time that we both turn on our videos. Yes.
Yes, just a second. Give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening. Seeing you after long. Tell me how closer you are to your dream of setting up a school of your own, if I'm not wrong.
We are planning to buy a plot that's in Ranchi, and we have seen the
Okay.
plot,
Okay.
and the bargain is going on that he wants some extra money, and we want that land in very cheap amount.
Okay. So it is now on the verge of right. It's more in the form of uh, execution, right?
Yeah,
You're starting
agreement
your.
part. Agreement part is going on.
This is agreement is the first part of the executional process only.
Yeah,
Okay. How often do you travel by flight? Do you prefer train or you prefer flight?
I prefer train because in
Why?
sitting for 1 or 2 hours, putting their legs down, my legs get swollen. I have this
Sorry?
issue. It gets swollen.
Oh, swollen. Okay.
So
Okay.
that problem is that in train, I have my own berth and I can go and just sleep. Either it's the daytime or the night time. I just go and take a blanket or anything and I just go and sleep.
And what if you are sharing your berth with other passengers in traveling in two tier or three tier who prefer to sit during the daytime?
No,
अब क्या बोलोगे? नहीं नहीं मुझे सोना है मुझे
no,
सोने
I
दो.
just go up.
आप अपने bunk पे जाओ.
No, I just go up. I prefer the upper seat. In the daytime, everyone is
Okay.
sitting down, and
Okay.
I ask the passenger ki if your berth is, can you let me sleep on your berth for whole day? He's
लोग तो खुशी
happy.
खुशी दे देंगे.
Ah, he's happy. Okay, ma'am, you just go and sleep on the upper berth. I am happy.
Okay. When did you travel by flight last?
Last, I think so. I was traveling to Bangalore, and
Mm-hmm.
then from Bangalore to Mumbai. It was a very hectic flight because I have to travel from here to Delhi, Delhi to Bangalore,
Okay. Then Bangalore to Mumbai.
then Bangalore to Mumbai, and it
Were
was
you running for some business purpose or some
no,
tour or
it was
something like that?
just a vacation.
Oh, vacation, a family tour, a
Yeah,
family vacation time. What would you do if there is a flight crash?
if the flight crash, and I will just pray to God, please save everyone. Don't let anyone die.
So prayer is in its own place, but doing something on a realistic situation is something different.
Like if the plane crash, I don't know what to do. I'll just go and ask the attendant, like if
At
the
the time
captain.
of crashing, at the time of
I'll ask,
crashing of the flight, he will go and ask me, and then
ma'am, please help me, give me the parachute so that I could jump from this plane.
वो लोग अपना खुद का प्राण बचाए या आपका प्राण बचाए?
No, no, they will save. I what I know about them, they first save the passenger, and at last they save themselves.
Inspired by the movie Neerja, right?
Not movie Nirja, but I have seen that when I was traveling, attendant was having some problem, health issue. Then also she was there to help us.
Okay,
We asked
okay,
her, okay, please, you just go and sit if you are having some health issue. She told,
okay.
no, my first priority is my passenger and then myself.
That is wonderful, and that is something to learn about the work ethics from on
Yes,
this note, right? Because
yes,
we always abide by a profession, we earn from that, and when the time comes, we actually intend to give it a go on the first hand, which is not correct. Yes, if
yes,
you are working towards the service, your first commitment towards your job is to serve for the purpose of others. Who are your passengers? Such a wonderful thought. It was lovely to talk to you on that note. Now, tell me one thing, that if you are the only survivor during a flight crash, during a plane crash, what did you do?
it will be a mixed feeling. Like I'll be happy for myself that God has saved me, but I will feel sad for the other people also who got died in that crash.
My question was, what would you do? Not
And
how
then
will you feel?
I
Not
will
how would you feel?
just, if the mobile get work, if my mobile is working, I'll call my parents and I will tell them I am here, please come and take me. This will be the first thing I'll tell my parents. And I'm alive.
Do you,
Please come and
okay.
take me home.
Do you think that your doables differ depending on which location your flight has crashed?
Yeah, if it's if my plane has crashed in sea, there is nothing we could connect to anyone. But if it is
Mhm.
crashed in somewhere where is a network or something, there we can connect to our dear ones, and or anyone with whom we can
What if
connect.
you are undergoing an international travel and the flight crashes?
I don't know what will happen, but
You were knowing that this is going to be the discussion topic for today.
yeah, it was the discussion topic. But if the first thing I would just come out of that plane, if I am sitting somewhere, I'll just come out.
You don't have a chance to come out of the plane. It is crashed. So you have fallen somewhere.
I
It's
will
not
just
a chance.
what I have seen in on Geo or in summer, that they burn some fire and they make smoke, and they say that we are alive. If any plane or anyone comes around that, they could come and save us. This I have seen on that Geo TV.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
I'll burn some fire, and
Mm-hmm.
to show that people, okay, yes, I am alive. Please come and
How
save.
will you get that fire in? Because we are not allowed to travel with anything ignitable stuff in the flight.
The plane has
The
crashed.
security
The
will
plane
not
has
let you
crashed.
carry something.
The plane has crashed. It might be in the burning. I can get fire from there also. Or I have learned some of the trick of burning fire, like rubbing and the stone one also. I have tried once and twice.
And
Once
it
I
ignited.
Yeah, once I was successful, and the glass one also I have tried, and
Hmm.
I was successful in that also, because
I was about to succeed.
no, I was
I was
successful. I burned that fire with the help of that glass.
okay. Okay. Okay.
So these two things I know. I'll
Okay.
apply these two things and burn
Okay.
fire, and so the people that I am alive, please come and save me.
Okay. Vina, I think that we had a lovely chat. Only humble suggestion to you is please ask yourself the probable questions before entering into a session, because I got to know that you are also working as a communicator for the other sessions also, right? So if the topic is there with you, please ask yourself that what could be the questions for myself, and perhaps you get to undergo better clarifications, better digging. The more we dig in ourselves, the more clarity of thoughts we get, right? Introspection is very important. So
Yes.
before passing on the questions to the students, which I also do personally, I ask myself that what could be the questions from this segment if I was asking the questions myself. So you can try that out for yourself as well. That will help yourself to frame different set of questions for the different students, because topic is one, students are versatile. If the same question is going to be passed on to every student, there is a probability that the aperture of the discussion gets a bit narrowed. Okay, so
Yes.
you as a trainer or you as a communicator for the class, you do bear a responsibility for making the aperture as broad as possible. So please do keep that in mind and try to look at one thing from the different perspectives you can, because that will really help your students to identify and frame an idea about the topic of the discussion for that day. Okay,
Yes.
otherwise, it was lovely talking to you. I wish you all the very best. Please do have a school in Ranchi, a big school very soon. All my prayers and good wishes for that. And
Thank
we
you.
will see you soon again. And with that, shall we again move to our alphabetic order? And for that, we start with Abid Hassan. Abid, can you please turn your video on? Last day you had some problem that I remember. Yes. How are you doing, Abid? You have to unmute yourself. I cannot hear you. You have to unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Now I am audible.
You are audible now.
Okay.
Okay. How are you
Yes, ma'am.
doing?
How are we doing, ma'am?
Yes, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well. I am a little busy for my IELTS test. I am an IELTS beginner, so uh, I need to do really hard work for my IELTS exam.
Okay. Please tell me that how often do you travel by flight?
Ma'am, it's not yet, and also I don't fly any kind of flight, and I
Okay.
never any
Please,
kind of
pause.
flight.
Pause. I want to tell you something as a suggestion today. Okay. Um, it is not a crime not to be
Ma'am,
eloquent in English. Can you hear me?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can turn your video off or you can mute yourself to hear me better. You can mute yourself to hear me better. Okay. Please understand one thing. It is not a crime to be not good in English. It is not a crime. But you have to try sincerely to become good. Okay. So now, if you have to answer to any question, please drop that tone with which you are answering. But please don't misunderstand me. Okay. I'm just trying to show you how you're answering. You're answering like, ma'am, I don't know. I don't travel flight anytime. I really I know flu. You are answering in this tone. This is a very hesitant tone, and with this tone, a person does not understand that where a sentence begins and where a sentence ends. I asked you, Abid, how are you doing? You can answer me, ma'am, I am good. It's a very simple sentence. Ma'am, I am good. But if you say, ma'am, I am good, I am good, I think that I will feel that you are trying to tell me anything extra, but nothing comes up. So this tone is very confusing. Are you getting my point? Drop that tone. This that you are making na after every sentence, it is very confusing for somebody who is listening to you. Please don't do that. Be very specific. Madam, I am good. Do you travel by flight? No, I have not traveled by flight yet. Finished. You can also say, Madam, I have not flied by flight. I have not got a ride in flight so far. সিম্পল, খুব সোজা। তুমি বাড়িতে কিসে কথা বলো? বাংলায় কথা বলো? আনমিউট করো একটু। প্লিজ আনমিউট yourself. আবিদ, আনমিউট yourself.
জি, ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ, বাড়িতে কিসে কথা বলো?
বাংলায়, ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা, তার বাংলায় বলার সময় এরকম করে বলো, আমি বাসা থেকে বেরিয়ে গেলাম, আমি এখন যাচ্ছি ঢাকা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়, আমি ফেরার পথে ঢাকেশ্বরী মন্দির যাব, তারপর সেখান থেকে বসুন্ধরা যাব। এভাবে বলো কথা, বলো।
না, ম্যাম।
তাহলে কেমন
না।
বলো? আমি বাড়ি থেকে বেরোচ্ছি, আমি ঢাকা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে যাব, ওখান থেকে বসুন্ধরা যাব, তারপর সেখান থেকে শাহবাগ হয়ে বাড়ি আসবো। এভাবে বলো তো?
জি, এটা তো আমার মায়ের ভাষা, সেজন্য এটাতে ফ্লুয়েন্সি আছে।
আমি তা বলছি না, এরকম টোনে বলো তো,
জি,
বলো তো।
জি, ম্যাম। জি।
ইংরেজিটাও এরকম টোনে বলতে হবে। তুমি ঠিক বলো ভুল বলো আমি সেটার কথা বলছি না। তুমি যদি একটা টান দিচ্ছ প্রত্যেকটা শেষে, বুঝতে পারছো সেটা? একটা
জি, ম্যাম।
ইংরেজি বলার সময় তুমি একটা টান দিচ্ছ, ওই টানটা তুমি প্রথমে বন্ধ করো বলা, কথা বলার মধ্যে ওটা বন্ধ করো বলা। তারপরে ঠিক ভুল বাক্য যা হবে সেগুলো পরে ঠিক করা যাবে, ঠিক আছে?
আচ্ছা।
ডিড ইউ গেট মাই পয়েন্ট?
ইয়েস, ম্যাম।
Okay, please practice this, otherwise whatever you say nobody will understand it. Please, please
ওকে,
practice
ম্যাম।
dropping that tone. Please practice dropping that note. Okay?
ওকে, ম্যাম।
রাগ করবে না, এটা কিন্তু প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে?
না, ম্যাম, না, ম্যাম, সমস্যা নেই।
ঠিক আছে, ওকে। আনিশা,
Yes, ma'am. A very good evening, ma'am. Sorry if my voice is like this because I'm having a very bad throat right now.
Why can't I see you?
Because I'm underneath my blanket. I'm not at all in a proper way right now.
Okay, so you are not feeling well. What do you do to feel good if you are not feeling well physically or mentally?
Ma'am, like I was watching some web series, I was playing, I was just trying to divert mine, but my neck is not at all in that mood to divert itself. Like whenever I'm trying to speak much, like I'm choking. That's the problem. I
Okay.
don't know why it is
Did you have a
happening.
bad cold? Did you have a bad cold?
Ma'am, actually, what happened? Na, previously, I had a very bad cold. Then I was all normal, and I went out with my friends even after that for some work. Ma'am, that was official work. I went to, to college just to submit some documents, and after that, like
Okay.
on that very day, it was very hot, and we all had ice cream, then cold drinks, and everything kept on going. So from there, it started again.
Okay.
Means
I
I'm not having fever right now, but my neck is choking.
I understand. So this is an uncomfortable situation for you, Anisha. Imagine a situation when you are in a flight and the flight crashes. That will be even more uncomfortable, right? And weird and frightening and life-threatening as well. What are the first three things that you will do if you are the only survivor in a flight crash?
Ma'am, the very first thing I will be panicked. Like everything around me will be in such a means such unwanted manner that that won't be eye appealing. The dead bodies and everything. If I am the only survivor, then there will be dead bodies around me, and that won't be appealing at all. And then like I will be like if I'm the only survivor, everyone will be questioning me, the means the reporters and everything, that you have seen everything not described, and that will be more threatening to describe the incidents which I have witnessed. Such a means such such incident where like in front of my eyes the plane has crashed and everybody has died. And the next very thing is that like I will means if I'm the only survivor, then I will be very lucky to god that I have survived somehow.
Anisha, my question to you was, what are the first three things that you do? It is not at all about how would you feel. Being panicked is nothing to do with. It is something that happens to us. It is not something what we do to what happens. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting fat is what the thing happens to us. But what I do to reduce that fat is my activity. You were asked to answer the second question. You were asked to answer the second question, but you answered to what you felt like talking. Okay,
Yes.
you can start your answer with yes, that I don't, I really, I am very clueless that what would I do, because initially I'll be very panicked. But if I am asked to answer that what are the first three things that I have to do after surviving from a flight crash, I'll try to get some food or water for myself, because otherwise my brain will not work. Uh, I'll first seek some water to have some sips. After that, I may try to find out that what is the location where I am in, whether any form of communication is possible from that location, and I'll try to reach out to nearby people for immediate shelter, unless and until I am just rescued by relevant people. Okay, this could be
Yes.
the answer. There can be a lot of possibilities of answering. Like Veena ma'am said something, like XYZ will say something. But please understand one thing, that you are supposed to answer to a question which addresses the what part, not the why. How do you feel part? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is one thing that you have to remind. Okay. So now tell me, why did you join late today?
Ma'am, because I was not feeling well today as well, but sir just texted me, you are not joining for so long. So I was like, okay, sir, I am joining in 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay, I understand. Take care and stay well. Get well soon, and please try to avoid some ice creams on your Christmas and New Year time. Okay, that's going to kill you actually. Please don't have that.
Yes, ma'am, I will. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Beta. Okay, so with that, shall we move to Charvi? Charvi is very cold in Chandigarh.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Okay, tell me certain things that you are frightened about in life. Some situations where you never want to fall in.
Situations.
Some situation where when what you never want to face.
I have actually never thought about that. So one will be that I don't want to fight with my parents at all. Like I don't want to have any disagreements with them. The second
Mhm.
is that I don't want any fights with my friends. Like no fights. Basically no fights. I don't want any fights. I just want a simple life. That's all.
That is one of the incidents that you talked about. I asked you to describe three
Oh,
incidents.
okay, okay. Sorry, I'm sorry. I didn't hear the three. Oh, sorry. Okay, so one is I don't want any fights, and I don't want to see anyone I love personally crying or be sad about something that could have been much better than what they thought.
Mhm.
And the third one will be I don't want to see myself unsuccessful.
Charvi, your thoughts are wonderful and it shows that you're a very empathetic person. But please go by the question framing. The question asks about what are the three situations which you would never expect to happen. They
Okay,
are
never.
okay. You do not want a fight to happen. You do not want to see a teardrop in the eyes of your friends and beloved ones, and you do not want to see yourself unsuccessful. They are very amorphous sort of statements. But say, for example, a riot, which is a physical event, okay, that could be a more specific answer. Now, coming to the point of discussion directly for today, if you are the only survivor in a flight crash, what would you do?
First, I will see if somehow anyone else has survived, or I will see if my companions are all right, or if they are already dead. And and the next thing I will see is, of course, search for the food and water. And then I will
Okay.
see the means to get off the place wherever I have crashed.
Okay, Charvi, just a humble note of correction. The question says that you are the only survivor in the flight crash. So you really do not have any option left to check whether there are any other co-passengers surviving or struggling to survive. So that point is eliminated. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
otherwise your answer was correct. Okay. How important it is to be on time for anything?
It is actually quite important. If otherwise, there are some situations that you are not able to. But it is
There will
important
always
to.
be situations. There will be always situations for which you will get an excuse to pass it on. Like for this, I could not do that. It will always be like that.
But it is quite important to be on time because punctuality is one of the elements of discipline, and that should be ingrained in one individual.
Then why did you join late?
I'm sorry, ma'am. Okay, that was my mistake. There were
It
some
happened because
network
of some
issues,
reason.
so yes, that there were network issues. My BSNL has not been working, so
Okay, okay. Please try to make sure that from the next time you are on time, because if you are performing the best out of your quota, then you actually give people lesser amount of points to question you about your credibility. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
You really cannot commit what the other people will say or do, but you can ensure the best from your end. Okay, so from the next
Yes,
time we
ma'am.
will expect that you will be on time. Please don't take it otherwise or personally, huh? I
Yes,
had no
ma'am. Yes,
agenda
ma'am.
of making you feeling insulted. I really
Mm,
did not have any
no, ma'am.
agenda.
No, ma'am. It's fine.
Okay. Okay, so you're a sincere girl, I can feel that, but I want you to be more on things so that you become flawless.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
take care. It's very cold in Chandigarh, so please take care. Okay, so with that, shall we move on to Kanishk, the last participant
Yes,
of
good evening,
today?
ma'am.
Good evening, Peter. Can you please turn on your video? Yes, okay. Where are you from and what do you do?
Ma'am, I'm from Jamshedpur and I'm currently in a school. I am in standard 11
Okay. And you are studying under the branch of
science, pure science.
science, pure science.
Yes.
Okay. What is your career aspiration? What you want to become?
Ma'am, actually, still now I don't have a perfect, but yeah, since I've taken science, I would go for the JEE,
Okay.
and my personal interest is on media, politics, and laws.
So you want to become an engineer and then you want to shift to media.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I actually I have many goals, so I have to complete it all.
You have many goals, okay, but career is something very specific with which you at least have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
start with, right? So what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
some,
Yes.
you can of course change your profession in due course of time, but you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
start with
No,
something.
actually,
So what is something that we want to start with?
I want to start with media, journalism.
You want to start with media, then why do you want to go for joint entrance?
Actually, ma'am, I've taken science. I've given my 4 years in science, so I would try. I would just like to know that how much I know it.
Okay. Say
Means
for
how?
example, Kanishk, though I am not very convinced with the answer because it shows that you yourself are very confused. Please
Yes,
try
ma'am. Yes,
to
ma'am.
it shows that you are very confused. No worries. You are a young guy. You are in your school days only. You have a lot of times left. But please decide before it is already just messed up. Okay? Because things get messed up in life very quick, and you get a long period of time to just to clean that mess. It is always easy to make the mess, but it is not easy to clean it up.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. You're not audible, ma'am.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, yes.
Huh. What I tried to tell you is that you are a young guy, you are in your school days, so it is okay to be confused, but please sort out this confusion fast because it is always easy to make a mess and it is very difficult to clean a mess. Okay, when something gets messed up in life, it happens like this. But when you have to clean it up, जिंदगी गुजर जाता है. It is not easy. eh? And career is something with which you have to bear for a long period of time. Long. So please find out what you want to do and what you are good at. Two things you have to understand, that whether you have passion for it and you have skill for it. Okay. I may want to
Okay,
become
ma'am.
an Olympic athlete, but I don't have the skill, so I won't be successful. So
Yes, ma'am.
passion and skill both are important. Now imagine a situation that you are going to cover any big event.
Big
Okay,
event.
event, yeah,
Yeah,
as a
yeah.
media professional, as a journalist,
Yes,
something
ma'am.
that your dream is, and that is your first job in your career. Okay, and the flight crashes. It can happen. It can
Yes,
happen.
ma'am.
What would you do?
I'm the only survivor.
That I did not tell you.
Okay. So
That
as
is the
a
next
first.
question. That is the next question.
Okay, ma'am. So first of all, as a human being, I would try to rescue as much people as I can.
Okay.
And then after rescuing, if I got a chance and if I see the time is appropriate, I would try to cover it as soon as I can. Because as for my media profession, I have to give it to the channel as soon as I can. So from that business mind, I have to cover it as soon as I can.
Okay.
And
Okay.
as eyewitness, I would also say something, and I would report some more incidents like that nearby by the nearby villagers who saw the plane crash. As I in the as a passenger, I would give my interview and take others also whom I rescued them also. So I would
I
totally.
understood. I understood. So with this, I will change my next question to you. Do
Yes, ma'am.
you think, be honest enough, huh? Do you think that crashing off the plane, being a journalist on your way to cover an event, is a kind of a business gain for your career?
Yes, ma'am. Can you please
Do you
repeat?
want to do you want to look at the incident from a business perspective, that it is a kind of an event which could be a lifetime experience for a journalist? Is it like that? Would you like to look at it from that perspective?
From a business mind, no, ma'am. First preference was as a human being, that I have survived a plane crash. That was a big incident for me, that I got a second chance in my life to
Mhm.
live. That means I have to do something big in my life. That's why I have a second chance. And then second preference would be, yes, media. I have
ओके,
covered such a
मतलब
big
अब
incident.
बच गए हो तो इसको एक स्टोरी बना लेते हैं, राइट?
हाँ.
बिकॉज दैट इज
Yes,
गोइंग टू वेरी
yes, yes.
स्मार्ट, very smart, very smart, and very, very honest. Thank you for being so honest and candid. I liked it. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. You are a very, very warm person to talk to. Please
Thank you.
bear this. Bear this humanity to business. Yes,
So
it is a
first
good
humanity,
transition.
then business.
Yeah, and I really, really liked your clarity, because you are clean on what you will do and why you will do, because this why part is always a question to your next uh, interaction. Okay, if you're asked to do answer that what would you do, then you say something and the immediate next question pops up, but why would you do that? So having the answer of that why part to yourself is very important. It shows that how much of clarity do you actually bag. Okay, so please remain the same, Kanish. It was
Thank
lovely
you.
talking to you. It
Thank
was
you.
perhaps our first interaction,
Same here,
and I
ma'am. Same
hope
here.
that we will meet soon again. And I have already taken 2 minutes more, so Beena ma'am will beat me up right now. So thank you, everybody. Thank you
Thank
for
you,
being
ma'am.
here
Thank you, ma'am.
today, and we will meet soon. Vishal, shall we be leaving?
Yes, yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Everyone else, wait, please. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you,
Thank you,
everybody.
ma'am.
Thank you, students. Take care. Stay well. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.